Hello, all. Welcome again.
Thank you. Ma'am hasn't connected yet.
Yeah,
Chitna ma'am, Virendra, Rahul.
Vikas sir has joined it.
People will come
Mohit
back.
bhai, I want one more session from you.
Sorry?
So you have time today or
Yes,
tomorrow?
sir. I am always available for my Toastmaster friend.
Okay. That's so nice of you.
Always, sir. Always. Chitna ma'am is yet to join.
Today I attended a session on WebEx, Cisco WebEx,
Okay.
and in that there is no time limit. I think so. The person who hosted the session.
That's Google Hangout is also good.
Google Hangout also there is no
Tried it?
time limit.
Anyone tried it or not?
Yeah, means
There's one of my friends
tried.
saying that he is having
Zoom
a
is
smart
having lot of issues, no? Zoom bombing and all.
Yeah,
That's
ma'am.
what I heard.
Yes, Cisco WebEx is also good option. Our company is also using the same. For
Okay.
online
Yeah.
meeting.
Then I think we should use at least give it a try.
Yeah, but
Even the
as long
Skype.
as
Can I have a try
Zoom
and
is
which
working, you have a lot of protective issues, no?
Hmm.
If you can just follow them, the Zoom is okay, fine. No issue.
We are all accustomed to Zoom now, using it for
Yeah,
speakers.
exactly,
Yeah.
exactly.
Actually, I made an account in Cisco WebEx 10 days back, but they weren't allowing it then because they said they had written that there's an overload on their site. So I don't know
Oh.
whether that
Ma'am,
overload
ma'am,
cleared or
I think many big companies like SpaceX, Google has banned this app because there is security concern. This app. Yeah.
Security concern anyway. See,
yeah, there
all
were
online things will have
articles.
security issues.
Yeah, ma'am. But
So you have to be
this
smarter
app
than the
has
app itself. You will
There
have
no
to smarter than the app itself.
That's
Devise certain ways.
today I got a message on WhatsApp that the data is being hacked from Zoom.
yeah, sir. Sir,
The security there is with every app.
yeah.
We should keep changing and trying the new things.
New thing.
Ah,
Yeah,
that is
exactly.
okay.
That's also good. So
You should learn how to deceive your own data. They
Hangout
deceive
is
you, you deceive them.
well, I guess Hangout will be a bit safer, I guess.
Yeah, I also
Will
think.
be
Hangout,
trustworthy.
we haven't actually tried because we have been working on Zoom only.
No, I
Since
mean,
the time we started online
On
meeting.
Hangout, can we do group
I
video
have joined.
calls?
I have
No
attended.
You
idea.
can, you all can try. This is the community club, right? So we all can try some other medium if it is possible. We can do.
Yeah.
Okay, so I
You
think
can try if it works well, then you can do it.
right. So, ma'am, I think we should start because time is running out.
Yeah. Tell me. We were on the economy, the most important aspect. How do you think the Bollywood, the crisis in Bollywood is going to hit our own economy?
Ma'am,
How
can I
much,
speak?
how much do you think that Bollywood contributes to our own economy, solidifying our own economy? Does it do or it's not going to affect at all?
Yes.
Yes, it is going to affect.
Lot of taxes being paid by film
I
stars,
think
right?
Shalini has got her chance. So, ma'am, you should give chance to others also.
Chance.
That's what I'm telling.
वीरेंद्र जी आप बोलिए जहाँ
Ma'am,
मांग के
definitely.
नहीं मिलता छीन लेना पड़ता है
Shalini
बोलिए
is very prompt in that fact. Okay.
She is
You
all
have to be
Yes.
smarter than me. And the app as well.
yes Virender
Ma'am, definitely it's going to hamper our economy because
okay
if any Bollywood movie is getting launched in India, at the same time it's getting launched in international platform also. Like most of Indian diaspora are there in other countries like UK, Canada, Australia, etc. So we are not losing our Indian revenues, but also we are losing revenue from other countries. It's a loss for the state government. It's a loss for central government. And at the same time, there are many daily wages workers are there also related with the Indian film industry, like cameraman, costume designer. There are number of more than for creating a single movie. I think there are more than 200 to 300 workers are there who are engaged with that to create a good movie. So definitely,
In
it's
a way, bad movie also.
huge loss.
Bad movie also. There are lot of people involved in making that movie.
Yeah, ma'am. It's definitely a huge loss for revenues.
Like what about the way we are like heard in Haryana, they are going to open the liquor shop, alcohol shop there, because that is causing them a huge loss of revenue. So if they can think,
And
yes,
this is not the loss of Bollywood. At the same time, if we are watching movies in any malls and PVR cinema, Inox Leisure is there. So we are at the time of watching movies, we are also taking some snacks, popcorns, etc. So
exactly.
it's a loss for them also.
Yes. And the most important issue, I think, somebody will answer who has not spoken for a long time. Come on, decide. This is the question to someone who has not spoken for a long time. Who is
Kamlesh.
going to speak?
Kamlesh.
Let us give it to Virendra only.
Yeah.
Because
Thank you.
complaining that Shalini was not giving. So this is for Virendra. अच्छा, Virendra ji, आप बताइए. They tell me that what people are now talking about, the shift in habits. Now the way we started, staying this thing, working from home, and the way we started buying everything, purchasing everything online, where the delivery boys are coming and delivering things. So this is causing a lot of shift in habits also. So is it going to affect that shift in habit is going to affect the Bollywood industry? That people will go and watch movies. That is again will become an issue for people. The shift in habit.
Definitely. I think, ma'am, it's going to affect the Bollywood industry also, because we are creating some new habits here. As you mentioned earlier, also we are now watching movies in Netflix and other OTT platforms and streaming. We are using more streaming services nowadays. So I think if any Bollywood movie is getting released after 1 month or within 1 to 2 months, it's getting also reflected in all these streaming apps like Netflix, Amazon, etc. So if we are getting habituated of such kind of things, and we are definitely getting habituated because we are getting ample time to waste. So we are watching movies, we are doing something.
And we have started appreciating Pankaj Tripathi and Manoj Bajpayee and those stuffs, rather than watching the movie like Bharat and all that of Salman Khan. No, there is a shift in that also. People would like to see some sensible things. And
yes.
Now,
I'm telling the real example. Whenever I'm watching any what is called that episodes are coming. What is the exact name, Shalini? I'm forgetting.
Again, you gave a chat.
What is there is a name for that?
Web series.
Web series, right, ma'am. Web series. Web series are made in such a way that I won't leave the other part.
Yes.
If I am seeing the ones, the web series are in different parts of series 1, 2, 3 like that. If I am seeing the one part,
you won't like to miss a single one. और बॉलीवुड में तो स्टार्ट देख लो, बीच का बाहर निकल जाओ, लास्ट पे पहुंच जाओ. You will know what is going to happen. Am I right, Rashad? Ashar, hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Tell me.
Bollywood movies are very predictable. Yes.
Very predictable. But I think the beauty of Bollywood movie is the predictability. Happy go lucky, happy endings.
Those
Something
who
which
have
may,
exposed themselves to Hollywood, they would not find Bollywood worth appealing. There are very few movies in Bollywood
so they will
that
have to
this
reinvent
generation
themselves.
would stick. True, true, true.
So they will have to work upon the effects of sound, effect, screen effects. There are a lot of things, editing, starting from beginning. Every damn thing they will have to change the entire concept.
Yeah,
They will have to
yeah,
make
true,
themselves,
true.
come up in every way possible. Because nowadays the kind of we are exposed to a lot of English movies, no, and not only English movies, the movies from other countries also with the subtitles
Yes.
in English. So we are exposed to a lot of superior stuffs. So Hollywood, Bollywood as it is, will have to work upon that. But then Bollywood and
Ma'am,
Bollywood,
I would like to make a point, ma'am.
yes,
Ma'am, there is a change in Bollywood in terms of villain as well. Now, nobody hesitates in taking villain role. Earlier, it was not the case.
yes,
You take Sanjay Dutt, Akshay Kumar, and many other prominent actors, they have no hesitation in taking villain roles. So this is also
How,
one
how,
shift.
how you know that they hesitate?
No, like earlier,
If
those
they are getting,
actors would not. No, there are many examples, like the movie Paigam, in which one very famous actor was asked to play the role of villain. He said no, and we know so many cases that we can see the movies made during 80s and 90s. No actors would like to play major villain role. If they play, they would become villain forever. Like Amjad Khan, he was an actor the hero role, but when he became villain in Sholay, after that he remained villain in many movies. Same is the case with Kadir Khan. But again, Kadir Khan, since he lived so long in Bollywood, that's why he became comedian as well in the end. What I mean to say that these days,
villains
and
became
that Hollywood
comedians
has
because
also
the
set up
stars,
comedian.
heroes
Yes,
started
yes.
becoming villains,
Joker,
so they became
that
comedians.
part of it.
That
Yes.
happened, yes.
Slight shift has occurred to my mind.
That is
Like-
one reason. I think there is one reason for that. The reason is everybody would like to reinvent the image, because doing same and same
Definitely
stuff
every-
again all over again. So people would like to change that, and when a hero does it, the style of doing it is different rather than the villain. So the villain does it when Gabbar Khan will do it, or say Amrish Puri will do it. You will know what will they do. But when a hero does it, then it is certainly a little different from the way they are doing it.
Surprising, yes.
what about Shah Rukh Khan? He has
Audience
started
loves
his
it.
movie with
Audience, yeah. Bajigar,
Asha.
yeah, that was a
Bajigar,
negative.
Anjam, Dar, Bajigar, and
yes.
Anjam, all three movies. He started with these three movies.
Dar.
So,
That was also
Dar, Anjam, and Bajigar, all three
all
movies came all
super hit
together.
movies.
And Shah Rukh Khan was a hit at that time with these movies. Starting from these movies,
Yes.
they were. And one more thing, ma'am, you were talking about Manoj Bajpayee and that Pathak. Both are Biharis, you know.
I know.
You should be appreciating both of them.
I really appreciate them because the way they have come up in their life, they are not even very rich people, very common, ordinary people. And they have come up so well. So I think the shift in Bollywood, the shift in interest of the people, the shift in taste, that education, everything has, I think, they brought a change. So Bollywood have to reinvent itself to remain, there where it is today. Otherwise, this Netflix and web series, they are going to give a huge hit to these Bollywood movies. So,
Yes.
and what do you think after this coronavirus is over? What are we going to do? Are we going to rush to the theater to see the movies?
No, not for 2 to 3 months.
Obviously, ma'am, it will not be like.
Or you think that we will rush more because we have been homebound for so many months? No.
No, ma'am. as far as my view is concerned, I won't go theater for.
We will use the mask and sit there. Because using the mask will remain a habit with us, I think, for a certain time.
No,
Using
but
mask,
I agree
ma'am,
with
we can use mask.
Virendra is saying correct that people are going to be really defensive at least for 2 to 3 months. So they will continue to Netflix and chill rather than going in a crowded movie hall.
Exactly. That fear is there. But I tell you, this world has seen World War One, World War Two, and they promised that they will not see the Third World War. But see, Third World War has come. This is the Third World War only. What would have been the repercussions of the war? We are facing that only. So war
Even,
is
even in past, we have seen so many diseases like Ebola virus, swine flu virus,
yes.
and these all are threatening. That doesn't mean that we are not going out. Even nowadays also, we are going to grocery shop, we are going to milk shop. So it will be habitual after some time.
But
Because
the policeman is
after
there,
some
no,
time,
to haunt us. Yes.
after some time, vaccine will come. People will become fearless.
Oh, I pray to God let this
Again, life will
vaccine come
come,
again.
and all the
Do you
things
think
will
After
come
some
on
time, we'll
as usual.
adapt coronavirus into ourselves.
We are going to use this mask forever.
We will be corona resistant after some time.
This was one thought of Donald
Yeah.
Trump.
Corona will run away.
He said, let the virus sweep across the country.
The same is happening in
People
Sweden.
develop their own antibodies.
Yeah, same happened there.
Sweden government is doing the same.
After that, no virus will come. I'm
Government
telling
is
you,
doing the
virus
same
will
thing.
run away. Man will become such a virus that no virus will stay here.
Only man or woman also.
I would like to, ma'am, I would like
I
to add
included
one.
both. I included both.
Ma'am, I would like
But one
add
thing is
one.
there. Yes, yes. Yes, Mohan.
Ma'am, I would like to add one point here that pe- when when we see in the past, like in 1620, 1720, 1820, and even 1920, these all in this same year in their 20, there is one virus has always uh, affected the world, and now this all has been the past. That means when the vaccine has been made. So I think this coronavirus will be will be the past when its vaccine will come. So I think we are used to it.
Society knows how to heal itself. The thing is, we have been playing too much with nature.
Exactly.
Too much.
That's correct.
Too much of pollution, too much of selfishness, too much of consumerism, too much of gobbling things, and not giving back to the society, not giving back to the nature. So nature has also found its way to take the revenge. This is something, nature's revenge. You see, you see, some rain is happening at such a wrong time. There's so much of things, lot of things happening at such a wrong time. So this is the nature way of taking revenge. So I think nature will have enough of it. Nature will keep quiet for some time, and then it will be the time for us to heal. And as it is, I think there are a lot of benefits have happened because of our being locked.
Yes.
We have not been using polluting, at least pollution level will go down. We have not been using our vehicles so much. And moreover, in coming time, I think a lot of offices and will remain homebound only. It will be work from home only. It's going to continue for a long time, except banks and all.
Yeah.
Anybody who's working in bank here? No.
No.
Working in bank. The bank is something people will have to go to the bank, but there are a lot of offices which will operate from home. So we won't be polluting this nature so much. What I mean to say, Mumbai, the places like Mumbai, the trains will not become overcrowded because a lot of people will start working from home. So that is the nature's way of healing itself. So time will come, that will definitely. And yes, the charm of Bollywood movies are not going to go anyway. Because it is not only the movie, whatever the concept of the movie, whatever the storyline is, but what works What works? Costume, the songs, the dances. These things are unique. These things are not happening in any part of the world. This is just typical to Bollywood. The movies and dance sequence. Anytime we are dancing, anytime we are singing. So, so these are the unique concepts. Too much of tales there. Fairy
Uh,
tale wedding, fairy tale this, fairy
no,
tale that.
no,
We
ma'am.
all have this
But I
desire of
think
a larger than life picture, and we all want to
Yes,
live it
yes.
somewhere
And
in
we
that.
all love it. We all love it. Who
And
wants to
in that
see
is
the
what
sob
we get
story?
through the Bollywood movie. Even in reality, in like web series, like Mirzapur or something like that, it is close to reality, but it is like the reality is also bigger than life, like larger than life. Like one guy is ruling over the city and he's going around killing people at his will. So like that kind of thing, like we want to see things larger than life, and that is the window through which we can see.
So if the Bollywood movies are not made, we will be too violent, isn't it? Watching all those web series will become violent. Let's watch this Bollywood movie, sing a song, dance, and remain happy ever
At
after.
least Bollywood movies are censored. I don't think there is any censor in
yeah.
these web
Ah,
series.
Web series.
and the worst part, I'm telling you what is happening nowadays. Even if you are searching something online, the ad will come in between, pop in between.
Mm.
And this is so ridiculous. I mean, every time you see those ads on web series, ka wo ad and those movies. So after a certain time, I think there's all this will go away. All inhibitions. If we start watching those web series and no Bollywood movies, we will all become used to, there will be no inhibition in mind. So that is also not fair, na.
Yes.
Society should have its own boundaries also, because we must know there should be certain limitations also. Because this whatever we are watching in web series and Netflix, there is absolutely no inhibition in terms of
My father
sex, in
tells
terms
me,
of
ma'am, that
violence.
my father tells me, ma'am, that when there is no one at home, you should fear the walls of the home to keep in your boundaries. Like that is just kind of a metaphor. You should have some boundaries, some limitations set for yourself.
That's what I'm saying. Limitations also important. There has to be some.
It has to be.
But
Without that, life has no meaning.
yes, so going limitless has its own limitations. Going limitless has its own perils. We need to learn limitations. That's what nature is trying to teach us, right?
Right.
Yes. This is something which is we should apply to ourselves. That even if we don't have the lack of opportunities, lack of things, there plenty is available to us. We must know how to use those facilities with restraint. This is the learning of nature, and this is reflecting everywhere. This will reflect on Bollywood also. They cannot be on and on. They will, their movies and all. They will have to have certain boundaries. They will have to certain relevance. Bollywood also will have to become relevant in terms of content, in terms of lot of ways. So I think,
One thing that I've realized, ma'am, over the time is that
hmm,
we humans need variety in life.
ah,
Even if we are served a dish like a plethora of dishes every day, like every morning, evening, and afternoon, you're served with a number of dishes all the time, you'll even be bored of that. You desire to go back to simple roti and dal or something like that. So we just desire changes, some variety in life. That is one of the we desire to stay at home when we are working out. Now when we are at home, we desire to go out. So it is
hmm.
the desire that we always need things to change around us.
Had that desire not been there, the world wouldn't have changed so much. We would have
Yes.
remained in those primitive times only. So I think everything needs a change. After this crisis, everything will need a change, because what is happening, because we are homebound, there are a lot of positive things are happening definitely, but there are a lot of negative things also happening. A lot of violence is taking place. lot of people who are homebound and though used to be violent, of violent temperament. A lot of things are happening, negative things are happening in society. So society always had two types of tendencies, negative as well as positive. So what we have to try our best to keep this positive on a higher scale than negative. This negative positive will continue. There won't be perfect world anytime. Never. So what we are suffering right now, let our children not suffer, and let all of you get married also. I mean, I'm not talking of Sushant and Ashahar and Kamlesh and Virendra. I'm talking about Shalini. I'm talking about Mohit and all the eligible bachelors of Patna
Like you
Toastmasters
can
Club.
talk about us.
That
No issue at all.
whenever the situation is going to improve, please all of you get married. I'm telling you. You never know what crisis is going to happen again. Shalini?
That's why we are not getting married. No, there is no certainty. Even marriage won't give that certainty.
I
So
think
we
the
are happy with
next
this
best
uncertainty.
opportunity will be to get married. All eligible bachelors.
That's much bigger than movies. Yes, larger than the reality.
That is a movie for others.
So it's all. I think we had a the hope we like I was thinking a lot of people will join, but never mind. We all enjoyed and we had a wonderful session.
Number is not
Yeah.
number is not always a big matter.
No.
As long
Yes,
as we are conversing,
this is. I think this is a
engaging, we are
wonderful
listening
concept
and
you all are doing. Wonderful concept. That you can just few of you can join together. Then next you can have some group discussion also. There is hardly a difference between panel and group discussion online. More or less the same. But yes, in group discussion you can keep two topics, three topics.
As
So you can
Sushant
practice.
said, we'll have variety here as well. That we'll have different types of activities.
I hope Ranu is not there. I hope she has not listened to that variety thing. I hope that, Sushant. I hope she's not in the background. The Sushant needs variety. So all married people beware, don't need variety. Just so and I think Bollywood movies are rather very much part of our own self. We have grown with
we
Bollywood
can't
movies.
ask for variety when it comes to, like, we have no point in choosing our bosses, so there is no question of variety there.
Yeah, true. We can practice variety in many other ways, but there are some areas where variety is not needed at all. So but I think we all are so lucky that we are part of Toastmasters and we have found a way to connect with each other. This online thing is an
Ma'am, I have a
amazing.
question regarding this Bollywood.
Huh.
Like, how can we get rid of this male dominant Bollywood? Do you
Get
see
rid
it
of.
as an unfair? Yes. How will, like, when the
No, but
actors will
I
start
don't
playing
think
main role?
it's male dominated anymore. It has that there
It
has
is
been
like you take the
change is
money,
coming.
they
Change
are
is
being
coming.
paid.
That is there. But in many ways we are having a heroine dominated movies where the protagonist is a female. And the way then when you talked about Kangana Ranaut and Madhuri Dixit and all that, they have the movies have been
Meenakshi
made where they have
Seshadri. Yes.
pulled the movies on their own shoulders. Like recently, I saw that movie Gulabi Gang. There's all the protagonists were females only. Change is coming. Change is coming and definitely coming. And initially, the kind of the mindset we had a male-dominated movies, but things are changing now. We are certainly
And-
having the female-dominated movies also.
And nowadays
I think
content is king.
Bollywood is.
Yes, Shalini, please.
I think that Bollywood is more of a reflection of our own society. So when we talk of male dominance, it is because our society, that thing is imbibed in our society as well. And as with the time, our society is changing slowly. Actually, the male dominance thing has been imbibed in our society for over centuries. So changing
It
this
will take
century
time.
old
It
thing is
will take
obviously
time.
take time. And similarly in movies also, slowly, but it's happening, but at a very slow pace. But I think it will happen gradually as it is
Because
happening.
it has
It
not
makes
happened in
sense. Yeah,
real
it
life
makes
also.
sense.
It has not happened in real life also. The way we are thinking, we are still when the child is born, the registration is done. The father's name is written, isn't it? Even if the father is not alive,
Yes.
the name of father, late so and so, is written. So that way, things are changing, but of course, they won't be changed overnight. We cannot see the change happening overnight. That is the problem actually we are seeing in society, because lot of things, rape and all those incidents are happening because the entire concept has not changed. The male domination has not gone. It is there. So it is taking time, and maybe 20 years hence, 50 years hence, thing will definitely change. But the thing is how much change we require. That is also very important, because change and change with traditions are also important. There has to be a balance between tradition and change, because lot of things are supposed to be preserved also. Everything is not discardable, that we discard everything. The respect in society for parents, for wife to husband to wife, this kind of structure, this family love, this family dinner, these are the things which we are discarding right now. See, everybody is sitting with the mobile phone on the dining table, and the concept of family dining, that is becoming obsolete nowadays. But that is also very important, sitting together and having dinner. At least dinner,
Now
I'm
people
saying,
are
because
having Netflix dining.
people are having, and everybody is having work from home. Okay, everybody is having their own schedule. But
I wish
then,
we had some concept of virtual dinner. Like, ma'am could serve us with some delicious. Like, we are having meeting without anything to eat.
I hope, because in future Shalini will have to see. Shalini, I don't think it will happen in Shalini's time, but then maybe
VPPR.
later on.
Yes.
Later on, the virtual marriage is going to take place, and everybody is going to get the virtual also. Virtual congratulations.
Getting married is easier for me than cooking.
So this is going to happen. If the corona thing is not going to go in coming 6 months, then virtual marriages will take place. आपको कबूल है, आपको कबूल है, हो गया. इधर से वो बोले,
I don't know how long this thing is going to
It has
stick.
already started में virtual marriage.
virtual marriage होगा. I'm telling you, because it will take long for people to assemble for a marriage. It will take. The habits will not change so soon.
So marriages are virtual.
Then we will have to marriage. So we will have to keep that topic, and that has to be discussed for 6 hours, not less than 6 hours. Marriages. So I think Patna Toastmasters soon should become a President Distinguished Club.
Yes, ma'am.
Lot of people have paid money. No, you just collect that money, and I think 9 or 10 people had counted whose money has not been deposited, because you were thinking of some other club.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So other club, that is very difficult, I think, at the moment. But you can
Yes,
connect
ma'am.
with people online. You can connect with people online and let them participate in the meet. That is, so 10 people you will have any time. You have the money. You just have to deposit it. That treasurer will do that.
Those guests who join virtually, they are not more likely to become members.
Why?
I have a feeling there are reasons, like when we meet like in the physical venue, it is more than meeting, and they see things there more closely.
What I
have
think
the feeling
is-
like there is a new guest who has already attended one meeting, and he is more likely to attend the coming meeting as well. But when he started talking about joining, then he said that, okay, let the lockdown be over, then I will see. Like, you see, seeing is believing. That is there, we cannot deny that. Like, when they see us together, like in a venue, everybody is there present, it gives more credibility in their imagination. Like, here
But-
things could be speaking from their point of view.
That is true, but see, times are changing. Let me tell you,
Yeah.
times are changing. So we will have to have both the modes of meeting, offline, online.
Yeah, definitely.
So yes, so offline meeting, of course, when the crisis will be over, you can go for offline meeting. But offline, along with that, you'll have to keep online also, because there are many
Yeah.
members, Kamlesh and all, they're traveling outside. So how will they get benefit from the Toastmasters? So to make it more
This
relevant,
is very
make
good
it
idea,
more
ma'am. Yes, we can
meaningful,
retain
to make
our
it more
old members.
meaningful, yes.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
can retain your members by online meetings. You can
Yeah,
connect with
true.
them. So both the modes will be active, offline, online both.
Online mode we can use for connecting other clubs also.
Once
Far
in a
and
month,
wide.
you can do online also.
Yeah,
Once in a
right.
month.
Yeah, means
Do
once
online.
we can do.
So that people who are not able to attend, people who are outside, traveling outside, not able to come, they can connect with the meet. They can come attend. So online, keep both the modes active, online, offline both.
Right.
We
And
will do
offline,
that,
of
ma'am.
course, yes. But by the time offline is not happening, keep doing it online. Keep connecting with people. Tell them to join. Tell them to join. So it was
Yes.
a virtual treat today.
Yeah, yes.
I was delighted to meet you all. We had virtual meeting is virtual happiness, but happiness was real, not virtual. Happiness was real. Seeing the face of my old family members with whom I'm connected for so long, and who are going to be my
The
family.
disappointment of
forever.
Virender was real as well.
Where is Virender gone?
See, this is how we will overcome the male dominance. And eventually Bollywood will change as well.
Bollywood will change. But yeah, we are heading towards female dominance in Bollywood. So
In real life, we have female dominance already.
true. And this is the married
Who's
people
up
will
a
be
married man?
Very true, very true.
all married and
Can't agree
suffering
anymore.
people, all suffering people, married people will tell you that. I
Not
think,
even by force, their persuasion skills are supremely developed.
absolutely. See Ashar.
Artistic words
Look
of
at
Ashar.
Ashar. He is so disciplined, well behaved boy. That definitely that is the influence of female domination. So wonderful. Thank you so much. We all had wonderful meeting. We'll connect again.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
And good
ma'am.
night.
It was a
Stay
pleasure
safe.
seeing you.
God bless you all. We'll meet soon.
Sure, ma'am. Bilkul.
Thank you.
Okay, bye, ma'am.
Again, an
Bye.
impressive collection of
Keep-
books, ma'am.
Thank you so much, all.
Background is impressive.
That was to impress you all, of course.
The purpose is served.
Yes, served.
Bye.
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 Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye. Bye, all.
Guys.
Renew
Bye.
and make it President Distinguished soon. We'll celebrate.
Sure.
Make video, everyone. Kamlesh,
Yes.
ma'am,
Yeah.
Shah.
Yes.
We'll send.
Yes.
Okay, guys.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Good night.
Bye.
Good night, ma'am. Good night,
Good
all.
night. Good night, everyone.
Good
Good
night.
night.
Good night.